as Mo travels, come along and see the open road adventure and sweet simplicity. Campfires glowing, wheels keep rolling on. We're living the dream where we belong.
Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. We're out about in the van. It's habitation check time.
Yeah, that time of year.
Yeah, it's that time of year again, and funnily enough, it was miserable last year when we came down, and it's miserable again this year.
I'm sure the Hull does have other weather too.
I haven't noticed it. No. So anyone that's been with us for a while will know the fun and games that we had last year, because it was at this time last year that we discovered the true extent of the water damage and the water ingress on the van. Yeah. Last year's hab check. So this year they've completed all the repairs. That was finished, what, February now?
Yeah, I think it was February.
They've done all the bits and pieces to the van, replaced a good 50% of it. We will see today, and I'm really hoping, although I am, shall we say, a little nervous about this, because after last year, which was a shock to the system, this year I'm a little bit, I mean, it shouldn't be. No. There should be nothing wrong at all, because they have done a lot of repairs, and knowing the guys at M&C that have done it professionally, properly, and it should be good. But that doesn't stop me feeling a little bit nervous about it. So we're going to have our cup of tea, sort this disaster area out, because I don't know.
It's not too bad.
I don't know what it is. Whenever we get in this van, it just...
Alan, let's face it, we are not tidy people.
No, and this is a small space.
Yes.
Although I do the washing up very quickly every time.
Yes.
Yeah, because you have to. Yes. Right.
Yeah, you can't even make a cup of tea else.
No, you can't. We do like our tea. Yes. Right, what we'll do is we'll get this place sorted out, and then we'll head over to M&C. I will record a little bit of the drive over there, if you want to watch rainy weather. And then we'll drop it off with them to have the hab check. Because of the weather, we're not going to go anywhere really, are we?
I don't think so, no.
I mean, last year we had a lovely day in Hull.
We did, despite the rain.
Yeah, but it was only showery, wasn't it? This is persistent.
Well, at the moment, yeah.
Yes, so hopefully at the end of this video we'll be able to give you all the good news that everything is tickety-boo and there are no issues with the van. So we'll pick you up at M&C a little bit later on. Time to head to M&C.
Yeah, just put my boots on.
Okie doke. I shall spin this camera around and we're ready to roll.
Yeah, there's still a few bits to get out.
Skies hanging over Hull, early morning, coffee strong, quiet roads and nervous smiles, hope this day goes right. Rolling out from Spring Valley slow, motorhome humming soft and low, every rattle, every sound, got us listening all around. Trying hard to stay relaxed, waiting for the facts. One phone call could change the mood. Good news or bad this afternoon. shutting down. Morning silence all around. One last look before we leave. Fingers crossed quietly. Now we wait somewhere in the town, trying not to think too much now. Maybe this is where things turn. Maybe today we finally learn. Oh, sunshine breaking through. Oh, maybe dreams come true. Till the phone rings later on, we keep rolling on. Spring Valley feels far away, but maybe this is our lucky day.
Well, good evening. That's us back at Spring Valley after the hab check this morning. And the good news is, it's fine. There are no issues anywhere, which is great news. So hopefully that means we've put this to bed finally,
Yes.
and we can stop
hopefully,
worrying
yes.
about it.
Yeah.
So that is a very short video for us this week. It was just to give you an update on the hab check and hopefully putting the issues to bed, which we now have. So we've got a few other things coming, but that'll be in the next couple of videos. We're off to our first pub stop next, aren't we? First ever
Yeah.
pub stop.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes. So what we'll do is we'll finish this one here, say thank you all for watching, and welcome to all our new subscribers, because we have had a few over the last couple of weeks, haven't we?
We have.
So
yes.
welcome to the
Yeah,
channel,
yeah.
to everybody that's come over, and we will see you all on the next one when we leave here and head to our first ever pub stop.
Yes, and then off to a rally.
Off to a rally at the weekend.
Yeah, and next month,
Van
festival.
Life. Yeah, Van Life Fest.
Busy working, even when we're away.
Yeah. Yes. So we will see you all on the next one, guys. Bye.